Hi guys, welcome to an episode of Team Style. So today we're going to do things a little bit differently. So we've got a bunch of chits in one of our latest bag designs. Each chit consists of a fun theme and we're going to pick it up at random and style an outfit based on that theme in all Neff's pieces, of course. So why don't you go first?
This is a nice one. So my theme is European City Getaway. Okay, so when I think of Europe, I think of white. White is the first color that comes to mind. So I went for a white maxi skirt. You can never go wrong with one. So this is the Hira skirt. I've paired it with an upcoming top from a Summer Classics collection. And I'm absolutely in love with the gingham detail with it. And I've completed the look with the Neff's salt tote, the Mirchi ring, Kiara cuff, and the Amara hoops. Okay, and I absolutely love how my outfit looks. I think this is the perfect outfit for strolling through the city. So my personal style is really minimalist, but when I'm picking out an outfit, I usually like one piece to do most of the talking. So I think here in this look, I have incorporated that with the help of this top and definitely the accessories.
Okay, let's see what I got. Oh wow, it's Sabrina Carpenter's concert. That sounds exciting. Okay, so I had to dress up for Sabrina Carpenter's concert. I think it had to be super girly and cute and fun and sparkly. For that, I'm wearing this Suki top. I love the pink. And I paired it up with a disco skirt, which is exactly the right amount of sparkle. I'm also carrying this new pink bag, which is super cute. It's Soy Pizza summer coded. And I'm wearing the Nova earrings, which goes perfectly with the skirt. And I'm also wearing these really cute pink heels and a pair of sunnies to top my look. Personally, I love wearing pink. I think pink is super cute, and I think this theme and the outfit that I've chosen is perfect for that. I love wearing skirts, especially this year. I feel like mini skirts are all the rage. I think this is the perfect outfit.
Walked in, a dream came through the fire. Soft skin and enough perfume to fire.
Okay, so I am going to be styling an all white brunch party. I think it's perfect because summer's coming up and we have a bunch of cute white pieces. Okay, so my prompt was an all white summer brunch, and I love this theme because I think it's perfect for the season. So for my all white look, I have picked the daisy top. I love lace. I think it's so delicate, perfect for the spring summer season. I have paired it with our classic Donna skirt. She is a favorite and I absolutely love the fit. Nothing like white and gold together, so I have paired a ton of gold accessories with my outfit. So I have done the Kiara cuff, I have done the seashell earring, and our best-selling disco bag in light gold to finish the look. So yeah, this is my outfit. And when it comes to personal style, I think my style is also very minimal, elevated and classic staples. So yeah, I think this is a little bit of my style meets the prompt that I've got. So yeah. So first day of work. Hi guys, so this is my first day at work outfit and all left pieces. This is snow flared pants, a piece from our new collection. Of course, our Noor tote bag that fits literally everything, and Amara hoops, of course. I did not want to style a plain black shirt or a white shirt. So just a peekaboo moment with it. You can of course style it with a white shirt underneath or over it, depending on your office. Of course, my office is
fun, so I can wear this in my office. So my personal style is very minimal but a twist with 90s Bollywood, I would say. So obviously Kata Laga on the go.
Let me see you groove. That's the way I like.
Bye bye. Peekaboo movement.
Mic drop at your outfit, Sophia.
Interesting.
Oh wow. She only said overreact. Oh wow. ठीक है.